a softball league that's been around in Stamford for at least 50 years.
We're the largest ASA town in the state of Connecticut. We have about 220 softball teams.
Is now being joined by a kickball league.
Over the last several years, I've been getting requests from teams to see if I could start a kickball league, but we haven't had the facilities to do it because our softball leagues are so big. We haven't had an opportunity to give up one of our fields for a kickball league. But this year we put lights at Scalzi Park, field number 2, which opened up some of our fields. So now we have the ability to offer a kickball league.
Starting on May 3rd, kickball games will take place on Thursday nights at Kosciuszko Park. The Recreation Division also has extra fields ready at Cummings and Southfield Park if needed.
It's a co-ed thing that's something, it's competitive, but at the same time, there's not a lot of skill in kickball, and it's a lot about having fun. Where softball, there's skill. You know, if you haven't played it before, you know, it's definitely intimidating. But kickball, it's not intimidating. You're kicking a red rubber ball, you know, underhand, rolling it in.
Beauregard also says the required number of people on the field is a little more flexible.
What we don't want is we don't want teams to forfeit. So we want teams to go and play even if they are shorthanded. So say, for example, one Thursday night, a group of players, 2 of their men can't make it. You know what? We could still play. You could play with 8 people instead of 10 people. Where in softball, you can't do that.
There will be a managers meeting next week on April 4th at 6:30 p.m. in the Government Center lobby. For more information.